Welcome to my channel. Today, in this video, I will tell you some easy tricks that you can find easily, low competition freelance jobs for beginners on Upwork. So, if you think that the competition is very high on Upwork and you can't get jobs, so you are wrong. So, in this video, I will tell you that how to find low competition jobs. It is really easy method. And if you use this method, you will literally be able to find such a job easily, on which your chances will increase by 70% out of 100%. So, it is very important tip. Now let's start the video. Now, if you want to search the job, you go to upper search bar section and clicks on job category. As you see here, that, the search for job, bar section, just click on search, without write anything. In the screen, you can see the option, down the search bar, that is, advanced search. Just click on it. Now, you can see, the other page. Just click on search, with empty bars. In the screen, on the left side, you can see a lot of categories. That are the jobs filter. Now, first, let's choose the job category. I will choose according to my skill. I choose graphics video. On other hand, as you change the filter, the jobs will shown you accordingly. Now, secondly, let's choose experience. You can set your experience level according to you. Now, let's fill the third category. That is, hourly rate. In this, you can set your job rate or prices. Now, let's fill fourth category. That is, number of proposal. You can also set according to your opinion. The fifth category is, client info. Now this is important. You must click on payment verified. Now, I skipped these three categories. You can fill this. That is up to you. Now the sixth category is, project length. Now, let's choose hours per week. So, I skipped second last category. And, the last is contract to hire. You can set all of these categories, according to your skill or opinion. As you adjust the filter, the jobs will shown you. As you can see, this job title. This person spent $800 plus. His payment verified is also approved. And if you want to change the filter categories, you can change it. So, that way, you can find the job easily, according to your skills. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Thanks for watching.